So if you're going to join me on my nature walk and help me with this job. But if you're at home or if you're at school and you can find an outdoor space, this is a really fun activity to do outside. So you can do this outdoors too. But each one of you will get what I call a rainbow chip. Okay. Now let me show you an example of a rainbow chip. All right. So this is a rainbow chip. But rainbow chips come in every color of the rainbow. And your job today is to find something that matches your rainbow chip. So if you go to an outdoor space, you're going to want to look way up high. You're going to want to look way down low. You know what? You're going to want to look way far away, as far as you can see, to find something that matches your rainbow chip. Okay, now, when you find something that matches it, guess what? You can trade. If you're with a class and there's other people that have rainbow chips, you can trade rainbow chips with anybody who wants to trade and look for a different color. So you might end up looking for a whole bunch of different colors today. Or another challenge would be see how many things you can find that are the color of your rainbow chip. Can you find 3? Can you find 4? Can you find 5? So see how many things you can find. Now, if you're doing our rainbow chip activity on your own, I want you to go through all the colors that you have and try and find something that matches every color of our rainbow chips today, okay? Now, an important rule. When you find something that matches your rainbow chip, can you pick it up and take it with you? No, because what tool are we using to find our colors? Our eyes, that's right. What tool did we use when we did the sound circle? Our ears. What tool did we use when we used the magic smelling potion? Our nose. Yeah, so we're just using our eyes, okay? So make sure you're only using your eyes to find colors. Okay, so if you're with your class, go ahead and hand out our rainbow chips, or if you're on your own, you've got your sheet of colors, and you're going to come with us on the nature trail and help us find some colors along the trail. And if you're at home, go in your own outdoor space or at your school and see what kind of colors you can find anywhere outside. Okay guys, so we have our rainbow chips in hand and we are getting ready to go on our nature walk where we are looking for our colors. So remember, you've got to look way up high, way down low, and far away, okay, and see if you can find your colors. All right, here we go. Follow me. See if that's a match. Ooh, guys, that's pretty good. What do you think? I think I'm going to call that a match to my green. So remember, when you find your color, you can trade. Or you can keep looking for things that match your rainbow chip. And I've got something here. Look at this, guys. I'd say that's a pretty good match. What do you think? Wow. All right, so let's keep looking. You know what I like to do when I'm looking for my color? I hold it out to something that I think it might match, and I close one eye. And when you do that, it kind of holds it up. It kind of shows it closer, and you can compare that color. So that's a little trick. You can close one eye when you're looking for your colors. Close. I don't know, maybe not a perfect match. That's pretty close. We'll keep looking for that orange. Does anybody hear anything up ahead? Can you hear that? It's the sound of water, because guess what? There's a waterfall, and we're going to get to walk right by it. Wow, can you hear it better now? We've gotten closer, so the closer we get, the louder it gets. This is our spillway, so it's a man-made waterfall, but it's really, really pretty, especially right now when we have lots of water flowing over it. So we'll take just a moment and enjoy the sounds of the waterfall. All right, guys, let's keep looking for our colors. Guys, I have kind of a hard rainbow chip. What do you guys think would match that? I haven't seen any leaves. I haven't, oh, aha, the sky. That's perfect. All right, good job. And go ahead and put your rainbow chips away. If you were here, I would collect all of your rainbow chips from you. And while I'm doing that, raise your hand if you found your color. Excellent. All right, raise your hand if you found your color and another color. Wow. Okay, how about, did anybody find more than 2 colors? Raise your hand. Amazing. Okay,